guys, welcome back to another video of Becoming a Code Expert. In this video, we'll be looking into why Python is the language to master in 2025. Python has been the most popular programming language for years, but in 2025, it's more important than ever. Whether you want to get a high-paying tech job, build AI tools, or automate your daily tasks, Python is the key that unlocks those opportunities. In this video, we'll explore exactly why Python continues to dominate, what makes it so powerful, and why learning it right now could be one of the smartest decisions you make for your career. Python dominates modern technology. Every major technology trend today has Python at its core. Artificial intelligence, you need Python. Machine learning, you need Python. Data science, it's again Python. And it doesn't stop there. Python powers web development, finance systems, cloud computing, automation scripts, and even robotics. If you're wondering which language gives you the widest range of career paths, Python is unmatched. And Python is also beginner friendly yet powerful. One of the biggest strengths is its simplicity. The syntax is clean, it reads almost like English, and you can write your first working program in minutes. This lowers the barrier for beginners while still offering the powerful professionals need to build advanced systems. So whether you're just starting or already experienced, Python scales with your skill level. And Python is a massive ecosystem of libraries. Python isn't just a language, it's an ecosystem. Want to build AI models? You can use TensorFlow or PyTorch. Need to analyze data? You can use Pandas and NumPy have you covered. Want to develop a website? Django or Flask make it simple. Whether you imagine, there's probably already a Python library that saves you weeks of work. In 2025, automation and AI are transforming industries. Businesses are looking for people who can create tools, automate tasks, and analyze massive amounts of data. And Python is at the center of this revolution, which makes it one of the most future-proof skills you can learn. Coming to the career opportunities and high demand, the demand for Python developers has been skyrocketing for years, and it's not slowing down. From startups to global tech giants like Google, Netflix, and NASA, companies are actively hiring Python experts and paying them very well. If you want a skill that translates directly into job opportunities, Python is at the top of the list. And coming to a huge community and endless resources, learning alone is tough, but with Python you're never alone. There are millions of developers worldwide, tons of free tutorials like YouTube, Geeks for Geeks, W3 Schools, and you have open source projects and forums to ask questions where you can ask questions and get answers instantly. This massive community makes learning faster and more enjoyable. Cross-platform and versatile. Python runs everywhere. Windows, Mac OS, Linux, even on embedded devices like Raspberry Pi. It also integrates easily with other languages and technologies, making it perfect for real-world multi-platform projects. To sum it up, Python isn't just another programming language, it's the backbone of modern technology. It's simple, versatile, in demand, and it opens doors to some of the exciting and lucrative careers in tech. If you have been thinking about learning to code, 2025 is the year to finally make it happen. Start small, be consistent, and watch Python to take you from beginner to pro. Thank you for watching this video. If you want similar contents like this, please drop in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.